Hey everybody, what's up? In this video, we are going to minimize our YouTube on our Android. We are going to use the picture-in-picture mode. So if you're also looking for instructions to do so in this video, we are guiding you so you can just go over and follow up these steps. So what we can do is we can go ahead and do that through our YouTube settings or Android settings. Let's head over to YouTube first. Open up the YouTube app. And once you open up the YouTube app, you can go to your settings. Look out for your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And that should open up the U page. From here, you can look out for the settings option in the top right corner and tap on it to go ahead and access your profile and different settings available within YouTube. You just need to look out for the general option here, which is right below the account. So tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the option for picture in picture. So you can scroll down and look out for that option here if you have that option available. You may just go ahead and turn it on from there, or if not, what you can do is you can basically use your Android settings for that. Start by opening up your settings in your Android device. And once you open up your settings of your Android device, you may scroll down and look out for the option of apps and tap on it. And once we tap on it, we just need to go over and scroll down and find and tap on YouTube. I'm just going to use the search. You can also just go ahead and directly use search for YouTube and find it up and tap on it. Once you find the YouTube application, you need to look out for the picture in picture option. You can scroll through the options and look out for the option of picture in picture. So just go over and tap on that option. And once you tap on it, you just need to toggle this option on and enable it. You can look out for this toggle option, tap on it, and that should enable the picture in picture for your Android device. Now, what you can do is once this happens, you can just go over and play any of the video available in your YouTube. And while the video is playing, you can just go over and swipe up to your home screen, and the video will automatically be minimized to a small floating window. You can just go over and drag the window to any part of the screen, close the window, and that is possible. You can just go over and do so, and that's it. So you can follow this process if you want to minimize your YouTube uh, on your Android picture in picture. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.